Your Take Care, Be Aware site check should be completed every time you go on site, every day, to assess the hazards on that particular site. How do we do this? First of all, start by opening up your Safety Work Kits app on your device. Next, you want to go to the Daily Use tab and select the Take Care, Be Aware site check. In order to create a new form, you want to click the little pencil on the right hand corner. Remember, these checks are for each individual site, so start by entering in your customer details. You also want to enter in the address for that site. Once you've filled out this form before, when you start entering in your customer details, these ones will fill automatically. This form is specific for this day, so make sure you enter in the date, as well as the time you arrive on site. Next, pop in your details. These checkboxes help you to be able to assess the hazards on site. First of all, we want to start by looking at our personal safety. Are we fit and ready to do the job? Are we ready to complete this job safely? Check those. Next, look at the site around you. Is this site safe for us to work in? Are there any hazards that we're unaware of or risks that pose a danger to us? Have a look around. The work we're going to be completing. Do we have a safe procedure in place? Are we able to complete this job safely without cutting any corners and putting ourselves at risk? Please note, not all of these will apply to this particular job or the particular day that you're doing this job. For example, if you're not going to be working at height, you don't need to look at fall prevention. Last but not least, the equipment and tools that we will use to do this job. Are they safe? Do they need a little bit of maintenance? Check these every day to make sure that they're ready for work. When we get on site, have we noticed a hazard that we haven't seen before? We want to enter these details here, as well as any controls that we put in place in order to reduce the risk to ourselves. You'll also note that it instructs you to complete a JSA, a job safety analysis. This will help you to make sure that the controls you put in place are applicable and practical for that job. At the moment, we don't have one available, so we'll tick no. Next, the workers on site. We want to make sure that we enter in everyone who's working on site with us, as well as ourselves, and their details. When we scroll right down to the bottom, you'll see the Submit button. Press that now. And you've now just completed your first Take Care, Be Aware site check.